Hello everybody and welcome to our news. I'm your host Claes Kronos and this is a very special edition because the year is off to a great start. 2020 looks to be an exciting year with a lot of new product launches, a lot of excitement and a lot of activities all throughout the year. It has begun really strong and I'm very happy for everything that you're doing so far this year. But there's still one piece of information that's missing and that is why we have this special edition. We have the breaking news today, of course, to announce where are we going for Manager Seminar and Goal Conference in 2021. I love traveling with Oriflame and I truly love our conferences. I am very excited about this news and I hope that you will be as well. But before we get there, let's first take a look back a little bit at where we've been in the past so we really know what to expect. In 2019, we started with the Manager Seminar on Kos in Greece. It was a spectacular resort and we had a fantastic program with a lot of energy, 2 extremely fun parties and a business day with great recognitions with more than 1,000 recognitions on stage, more than 200 kilos of confetti and a great sense of achievement and celebration from all of you during the business day. Then later in the year we stepped it up a notch and we went to Monaco, the truly luxury destination in Europe. We stayed in a 5-star resort for the Goal Conference and we had a business day in the venue for the Rose Ball, which is there every year with the roof opening ceremony that no one who was there will ever forget. This was an amazing theme of a conference and I think that everyone who went there will talk about it for the rest of their lives. I know I will. Then of course this year we also have some truly amazing upcoming conferences. We will in May go to Turkey for Manager Seminar in Antalya. We will stay at the amazing Sucesi Luxury Resort. I think it's a truly amazing destination. And again, we will have 1,000 people from all over Europe traveling together to have this amazing recognition of our achievements last year and so far this year. I hope that you will come with us for this conference. Qualification is still running. Then we will go in August to Madrid for the Goal Conference and this is again a very unique experience because this year we're going together with Asia and Turkey, so there will be more than 2,000 leaders from the Oriflame world who will learn from each other, inspire each other and energize each other in Madrid, which is the capital of Spain and one of my favorite cities in Europe. I really like Madrid, so I'm looking forward to going there with 2,000 Oriflame leaders and have a truly spectacular Goal Conference. So, going through all of these conferences, they've all been extremely unique and special and spectacular and valued by everyone who traveled. If you ask the people in your network, if you haven't been there before, if you ask your colleagues in your country how it was to go to any of these conferences, I'm sure they will say the same thing that I'm doing, that traveling with Oriflame is something truly unique. So, key features when we then try to find a new place to go in 2021, because we need to find a new destination, was of course to have something that's truly unique, a destination where we can have a great program and really amazing hotels and accommodation. Then we need to have this sense of community with Oriflame because more than 1,000 people will go together and celebrating as the Oriflame business partners that we all are, that together create this successful company and inspire each other and party a bit together. And we need to figure out something that's truly unique, something that most of us have never experienced before, and create a conference that will be something that none of us have ever experienced before, because traveling with Oriflame is not like traveling alone. You will experience something that you've never seen. So finding all of this to really creating something that recognizes your hard achievement and the hard achievement of your entire team, we needed to figure out something where we can really create this. So I'm really excited because I'm going to announce that in 2021 we are going to my favorite continent in the world, a continent where I lived for 4 years. In 2021 we are going to Africa. We are going to Tunisia in 2021 for a mega conference where we are joining Manager Seminar and Goal Conference to one big conference where we can all go together, and I want to show you now what will await us when we get there.
The news about travelling with Oriflame is always much anticipated. Throughout the years, we've explored many exciting places around the world with our best leaders. However, our next destination has the potential to be the most exceptional adventure yet. Let's see what awaits us in 2021 in Tunisia. We will take you to a place that is truly a colourful feast for all the senses. One of its most distinctive aspects is the remarkable cuisine, which reflects the country's many historical influences, including French, Roman, Turkish and Arab cultures. A prime example of the resulting culinary variety is brick, a fried treat made from delicate pastry dough filled with egg, parsley and tuna. When packing for this trip, you should definitely leave some space in your suitcase because you're going to a shopping paradise. The Medina market of Tunis, the capital city, is one of the best places to shop for local handicrafts. Make sure to bring one of the unique souvenirs such as silver jewellery or mirrors, traditional tagine pots, artisanal carpets, handcrafted olive wood products, massage oils or bath salts. This place is a blissful oasis stretching from the vast expanses of the desert up to the very heart of the Mediterranean. The Tunisian coast is one of the most beautiful in the entire world. The shining sun and warm climate will make you the happiest and calmest you've ever been. It's also a gateway between Europe and Africa, yet another continent to visit with Oriflame. What is more, you will have a chance to take part in 2 exceptional conferences organized in this extraordinary country. Tunisia, one of Africa's prime destinations, is awaiting all of you. Successful qualifiers of the 2021 Gold Conference will also have the opportunity to join the 2021 Managers Seminar. Get ready for twice the experience, twice the excitement, and twice the fun with successful leaders from all over Europe. To make the Gold Conference 2021 experience even more special, we are adding 1 extra day to this trip. You will definitely need the time to explore 2 of Tunisia's hottest destinations, Hammamet and Tunis. There are no better places to celebrate success, get inspired, and collect unforgettable memories. Tunis is a lively, exotic and colourful capital of Tunisia. It's full of cultural treasures and attractions just waiting to be explored. On the other hand, Hammamet is an idyllic resort town, famous for its sun-drenched beaches and warm, crystal-clear sea. Isn't it a perfect combination? The Gold Conference and Managers Seminar excitement will start in the coastal town of Hammamet. Many tourists from all over the world come here to have a wonderful time, enjoying the splendid beaches. You will not want to get out of the warm water. The golden, sandy beaches, warm waters and enticing aroma of jasmine that fills the air will make you feel like you're in paradise. Always sunny, always warm. There's no better setting for spending time with Oriflame and our leaders. Relax, have a good time and recharge before you face your next challenge. Located along the Cap Bon Peninsula, Hammamet, with its charming atmosphere, offers visitors a perfect mix of relaxation and excitement. Lovely, colourful streets where local people go about their lives will leave you in awe. Whether unwinding at the beach or wandering around a colourful souk, your day will be blissful. What is more, Oriflame invites you to recognise your achievements with leaders from your structures and with leaders from all over Europe. There is no better time to share Oriflame's togetherness, spirit and passion than during our event. Make sure to fulfill the qualification requirements and celebrate with us. After 4 exciting days in Hammamet, the Managers Seminar comes to an end, but many more incredible experiences await the Gold Conference participants. 4 more days to explore the wondrous capital of Tunisia, and more. The following days will be full of cultural experiences. Rich and exotic, delivering unforgettable memories, let this colourful and dynamic African capital embrace you with its charming atmosphere. Feel the real spirit and heart of Tunisia. Explore the old town of Tunis, known as the Medina Quarter. It is one of the country's 8 UNESCO World Heritage Sites and boasts more than 700 monuments. Soak up the authentic Tunisian atmosphere as you navigate your way through the labyrinth of winding streets. Look for the spectacular monuments as well as the amazing local treasures. During the conference, you will surely find some time to visit the nearby attractions. You can take a trip back in time to the ancient city of Carthage, which was founded by the Phoenicians in 9th century BC. Or you can snap the perfect Instagram selfie in the picturesque cliff-top town of Sidi Bou Said. Or you can do both. So what are you waiting for? Start your qualification for both conferences now. This year, the qualification period for Gold Conference and Managers Seminar is the same. For 17 catalogue markets, the qualification will last from Catalogue 5 of 2020 till Catalogue 4 of 2021, and for 12 catalogue markets, the qualification will start in Catalogue 4 of 2020 and end with Catalogue 3 of 2021. Make sure to meet the qualification rules and join us at our exceptional 2021 conferences in Africa. It will be a truly exotic experience that you simply cannot miss. Join us in paradise. Travel with Oriflame to 2021 Gold Conference and Managers Seminar in Tunisia.
Wow, I think the program and destination, I think it's a once in a lifetime conference that we're having in 2021. There will be so many new things to experience and so many new benefits that really you can't miss out. I am so excited about going back to Africa. So first of all, if you qualify for the Gold Conference, you will go for 8 days and you will see two of the best destinations in North Africa. First of all, Hammamet for the coastal part, where we will also be for Managers Seminar, which has some of the best beaches in the world. And then, as we say goodbye to the managers when they go to the airport to go back home, everyone who qualified for Gold, you stay for an additional 4 days and we go to Tunis together and stay in truly luxurious resorts and hotels, and we get to experience the capital of Tunisia, and then of course we will take some exploration to some of the amazing sites that are just outside of Tunis. So really don't miss out. Then of course for me the biggest thing here is that we are doing it together. As one team we are going for Gold and Managed Seminar together to Tunisia to have this opportunity for everyone to learn from each other, be inspired by each other. If you're a manager, you will travel with the top leaders across Oriflame Europe and you will learn from them. And if you are going for Gold, you will get to bring the managers that are qualifying with you to this conference and you can travel together as one fantastic team. So all of this, I just have to say, wow, it looks truly amazing. I am so excited for the 2021 conference. I hope that you are too and that you are ready to travel to Africa with us. So thank you for joining me today in this very special Ori News segment, where we have now launched the 2021 joint mega conference in North Africa. We're going to Tunisia together for Managed Seminar and Gold. I will go there, I will be there. I hope that you go with us. No reason to miss out. You have 1 year to qualify. Make sure to come with us to this once-in-a-lifetime destination. This is Claes Kronos for Ori News, signing off. Thank you very much.